Hi, this is Karen with the Kine Garden Stuff, and today I've got the urban worm bag with blue worms in here, and I'm going to be doing the harvest. It's been a couple months. It is pretty dry down here, and I'll bring you back when I've done the harvest, or at least when I've got this taken off. Okay, be back. Alright, I've got the string undone. Let me see if I could do this with one hand. If not, then I'll have to figure something else out. Alright. Oh, it's really hard. That is really hard and dry. But underneath it feels pretty moist. See, dig all the way to the zipper. Alright, I'm starting to see some worms, so I think I'll stop. So pretty much it is harvested up to the zipper. Okay, let's bring this out. Let's check it out. Okay, granted there's not very many. There's not very much harvest, but that's okay. This is super duper hard. These two pieces were at the very bottom of the opening of the bag. So rather than fiddle with it, I think I'll just put this part back in the bag. Oh, this is just avocado skin, so I'll put that back in the bag. And it's an avocado pit. Alright, so that's it. This feels moist, a tad dry. I think this was just my second harvest, and so I'm just going to, second harvest from this bag, so I think I'm just going to dump it back out in the top of the bag. I have tons of castings, so I really don't need any more, but going through this exercise, it really helps a lot. Maybe getting a little bit once a month rather than waiting every 2 months will help, so I think I'll try that. let's check in the bin, or let's check in the bag. We haven't been there in a while, so I'll be right back. Alright, here's the bag. Opening it up. I've been feeding it about every week. There's just a little bit of gnats in here, not bad. Let's see. There's some red mites on here, like a lot. Let's see how they're doing. Oh, it's super moist in here. Super duper wet almost. Let me go ahead and tear these up. Alright. See how wet it is. Super duper moist. It's a mango pit. Okay. Well, they appear to be doing fine. They're just really small. Here's another. A lot of them. There's a lot of them. Let's see. Deciding whether to feed them or not. They have a lot of carbon in here. But I do want to build up the level of the bag. So I think I will feed them. I do have some coffee grounds for them. A couple spoonfuls. And some neem seed meal. And this is some ground eggshell. It's about a tablespoonful. And also a tablespoonful of dolomite lime. Their food. Let's see what they have today. Oh, looks like some corn husk, fresh corn husk, paper towel. These are still frozen corn, cob, onions, round onions, and there's another onion, and onions, not onion, what do I want to say, orange rind, and it looks like green onion, So round onion and green onion, the leaves from green onion as well. Let's see if I can take this apart. Since it's frozen together, looks like a little bit of tomato on there as well, frozen. All right. Let's mix this up a little bit. All right. Let me put some moist cardboard on here. Let's see how many can we put on here? Oh look, urban worm bag box. Oh, I think I forgot to take the plastic off. Looks like shipping tape. I think that'll do for now since there's a zipper on the cover of this, so I'm not worried about bugs getting in from on top. Alright, so that's it for this bag for this week. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put in the other. Let me take this off. I forgot to put in the castings that I just got out. So they can have another run through. There we go. Now we're cooking with hibachi. Alright, put these guys back on top. Hey look, it's all urban worm bag stuff. Okay, here we go. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.